Have you ever felt like money just doesn't flow into your life the way it should? Or that no matter how hard you try, financial opportunities seem blocked? The truth is, your home's entrance could be stopping abundance from reaching you. In Feng Shui, your front door isn't just an entryway, it's the gateway for wealth and prosperity. If energy is stagnant or blocked there, it directly affects your finances. In today's video, I'll show you a simple yet powerful step-by-step Feng Shui ritual to transform your front entrance into a magnet for wealth and success. This is not just about decoration, it's about realigning the energy of your home to welcome abundance effortlessly. And stay with me until the end, because I'll also reveal the most common mistakes people make that might be unknowingly repelling financial blessings. By the time you finish this video, you'll have everything you need to activate your home's prosperity energy and start seeing tangible results in your financial life. Imagine trying to fill a cup with water when the spout is clogged. No matter how much water is available, nothing gets through. The same principle applies to financial abundance. Your front door is the entry point for positive energy, and if it's cluttered, neglected, or poorly positioned, it could be silently pushing away opportunities without you even realizing it. In Feng Shui, your front door is more than just an entryway. It's the mouth of chai, the place where energy enters your home and sets the tone for everything inside. Just like the human body needs clean air to function properly, your home needs a smooth flow of energy to invite prosperity. If the energy coming through your front door is weak, blocked, or stagnant, it can directly impact your financial opportunities, career growth, and overall abundance. Think of it this way. Imagine a business with a messy, uninviting entrance. If the storefront is cluttered, the sign is broken, or the doorway is blocked, customers are far less likely to enter. The same principle applies to your home. If your entrance is unappealing or obstructed, wealth energy might hesitate to flow in. This is why successful businesses pay close attention to their store entrances, ensuring they are welcoming, clear, and strategically designed. Your home should follow the same approach if you want to attract financial prosperity. Many people unknowingly create energy blockages at their front door. Maybe there are old shoes piled up, a broken doorbell, or a stiff door that creaks when opened. These small details may seem insignificant, but in Feng Shui, they symbolize stagnation, missed opportunities, and financial delays. If your front door is difficult to open, it metaphorically represents difficulty in receiving wealth. If the space is cluttered, it reflects obstacles in your financial path. Another key aspect to consider is the direction your front door faces. According to Feng Shui principles, each direction carries a unique energy that interacts with your financial flow. A south-facing door, for example, is associated with fame and recognition, while a north-facing door aligns with career growth. Regardless of the direction, the most important factor is ensuring that the pathway is clear, welcoming, and energetically aligned to allow money and success to enter freely. Science even supports the idea that our environment influences our mental state. A well-maintained, vibrant front entrance boosts confidence, reduces stress, and encourages a mindset of abundance, which in turn attracts more financial opportunities. The first impression you get when you walk through your front door affects your subconscious mind daily. If you feel uplifted, energized, and inspired the moment you enter, you're reinforcing the belief that your home and your life are open to success and financial growth. Before we get into the step-by-step process of this ritual, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel for powerful insights into Buddhist teachings, the law of attraction, astrology, numerology, and spiritual growth. Your support helps us bring you more life-changing content. Comment below. I claim unlimited wealth and unstoppable success in my life in 2025. This simple affirmation is your first step to aligning yourself with the prosperity of the universe. When you say it, you activate the energy of success and financial freedom in your life. Now that you understand the importance of your front door in attracting financial prosperity, let's take action. By following this step-by-step Feng Shui ritual, you'll clear energetic blockages, enhance the flow of abundance, and create a powerful entryway for wealth to enter your life. Each step is designed to align your home with high vibration energy, ensuring that financial opportunities come to you more easily. Step 1. Clear the path and remove blockages. The first step in creating a wealth-attracting entrance is to remove any physical and energetic obstacles blocking the flow of money into your home. If there are objects near your front door that interrupt the energy flow, such as piles of shoes, old mail, or broken furniture, it's time to clear them out. Imagine that energy, like a river, needs a clear path to flow. If there are obstructions, the water stagnates. The same happens with financial energy. If the entrance is cluttered, money and success may struggle to find their way to you. To fix this, start by thoroughly decluttering the entrance, inside and outside. Sweep away dust, dirt, and any stagnant energy that might have accumulated. If you have a doormat, make sure it's clean and welcoming. An old dirty mat absorbs negative energy and can symbolically block wealth from entering. Once the area is physically clear, stand at your front door and take a deep breath. Visualize an open, flowing path where abundance effortlessly enters your home. This simple yet powerful practice already begins shifting your energy. Step 2. Deep clean and bless your door. After removing clutter, the next step is energetic cleansing. Your front door absorbs and holds onto energy, and just like we take showers to cleanse our bodies, your door needs spiritual cleansing to remove any negativity blocking abundance. To do this, prepare a bowl of salt water. Salt is a natural purifier used for centuries to clear negative energy. If possible, add a few drops of essential oils like orange, cinnamon, or rosemary, all of which attract prosperity and high vibrational energy. Take a clean cloth, dip it into the salt water mixture, and gently wipe down your front door, both inside and out. As you clean, set your intention. Imagine yourself wiping away financial struggles, old limitations, and stagnant energy. Visualize the door becoming a powerful gateway for wealth, success, and new opportunities. As a final touch, light a candle near the entrance for a few minutes. Fire energy in Feng Shui represents transformation and action, helping to activate your new intentions and solidify the energetic reset. Step 3. The power of color and symbols. Now that your entrance is cleansed, it's time to enhance it with prosperity-attracting elements. Feng Shui teaches that colors hold vibrational energy, and the colors you incorporate into your front door can directly influence your financial flow. The top wealth-attracting colors for your front entrance are: red symbolizes luck, power, and prosperity. Gold represents abundance, success, and financial security. Green encourages growth, new opportunities, and financial expansion. If you're not able to repaint your door, don't worry. You can still incorporate these colors through decorations, such as a welcome mat, wreath, planters, or small accents near the entrance. Even placing gold coins or a small decorative object in these colors can enhance the wealth energy. Additionally, consider adding symbols of abundance, such as a lucky charm or talisman near the door, such as a Feng Shui coin or a small Buddha figurine. A small indoor plant or a fresh flower arrangement. Plants represent life and continuous growth. A fountain or wind chimes nearby, moving water and sound help energy circulate freely. These small but intentional changes will amplify the power of your front door, ensuring that money and opportunities are naturally drawn to your home. Step 4. Activate the energy with a prosperity ritual. With your entrance cleansed and enhanced, the final step is to activate the energy flow using intention and affirmation. Feng Shui is about energy alignment, and the way you interact with your space strengthens its ability to attract wealth. Here's how to do it. Stand at your front door and face outward. Imagine that abundance is waiting just outside, ready to enter. Place your hand on the doorknob and say an affirmation aloud as you open the door. A powerful one is, "Abundance flows freely into my life. My home is a magnet for prosperity and success." Take a deep breath and visualize golden light flooding through the entrance as you open the door. Feel the energy of wealth entering. Each morning, spend a few seconds at your entrance setting a financial intention. This simple habit reinforces your subconscious belief that your home is open to wealth and opportunity. By following these steps, you'll transform your front entrance into a powerful Feng Shui gateway for financial success. The energy around your home will shift, and you'll start noticing more ease in attracting money, opportunities, and positive experiences. Your entrance is now fully aligned with abundance, but many people unknowingly make critical mistakes that block prosperity, even after applying these steps. Now that you've aligned your front door with Feng Shui principles, it's important to avoid common mistakes that could silently block wealth from entering your home. Even small, unnoticed details can disrupt the flow of abundance, preventing financial opportunities from reaching you. Let's go through the top 3 mistakes that might be repelling prosperity without you even realizing it, and how to fix them. Mistake 1. A broken or squeaky door. Your front door is the first thing wealth energy encounters when trying to enter your home. If it's damaged, difficult to open, or squeaks when you use it, it symbolizes financial struggles, missed opportunities, and obstacles in your financial life. In Feng Shui, a stuck or broken door represents resistance to abundance. If you have to push hard or struggle to open it, it's a sign that money is struggling to flow into your life. Likewise, a squeaky door creates energetic friction, sending a subtle message that prosperity is being met with resistance. How to fix it? Repair any broken hinges, locks, or door handles immediately. Oil the hinges to eliminate any squeaking sounds. Ensure the door opens easily and smoothly. This simple fix creates a clear, welcoming path for wealth to enter, allowing financial opportunities to flow effortlessly into your home. Mistake 2. A worn-out or dirty doormat. Your doormat acts as an energy filter. It is the first point of contact between outside energy and your home. A worn-out, dirty, or neglected doormat absorbs stagnant energy and can prevent wealth from crossing your threshold. Think about it. If the place where energy enters your home is torn, unkempt, or faded, it symbolizes financial decline, energy loss, and instability. On the other hand, a fresh, clean, and high-quality doormat invites new, prosperous energy into your space. How to fix it? Replace old, faded, or worn-out doormats with a fresh one. Choose a mat in a Feng Shui wealth color. Red, gold, or green are great options. Regularly shake out and clean your doormat to refresh the energy. This small change ensures that your home only absorbs positive, wealth-attracting energy from the moment someone steps inside. Mistake 3. A dark, uninviting entrance. Energy follows light, warmth, and movement. If your front entrance is dim, poorly lit, or uninviting, it signals that money struggles to find its way to you. A dark entrance drains the home's energy, making it harder for prosperity to locate and enter your space. In Feng Shui, a bright, open, and inviting doorway symbolizes a clear path for abundance. The more welcoming and well-lit your entrance, the more attractive your home becomes to prosperity energy. How to fix it? Ensure there is enough lighting at your entrance. A porch light, lanterns, or decorative lighting can help. Use mirrors or shiny surfaces near the entrance to reflect light and amplify wealth energy. Add fresh flowers or plants to enhance vitality and prosperity. When your entrance feels warm, open, and filled with light, wealth energy will be naturally drawn to your home. By avoiding these common mistakes, you ensure that nothing interferes with the energy of abundance flowing into your life. Now that you've optimized your front entrance and removed any energy blockages, it's time to supercharge your home's financial energy. Feng Shui isn't just about fixing problems, it's also about creating a continuous cycle of abundance. By adding specific elements to your entrance, you can ensure that wealth energy keeps flowing into your home consistently and effortlessly. Element number 1, the money bowl technique. A money bowl is a simple yet powerful Feng Shui tool to magnetize prosperity. Placing one near your front entrance helps attract wealth and financial growth. Here's how to make one. Choose a small decorative bowl, preferably in gold, green, or red. Fill it with coins and a few cinnamon sticks. Coins symbolize money, while cinnamon attracts abundance quickly. Add a bay leaf with the word wealth written on it. It acts as an amplifier for prosperity energy. Place this bowl on a console table, shelf, or any visible spot near your entrance. Every time you pass by, touch the bowl and mentally affirm, "Money flows easily into my life. My home is a magnet for abundance." Element number 2, the secret of the wealth corner. In Feng Shui, the southeast corner of your home is known as the wealth corner. If you align it with prosperity energy, it enhances financial stability and success. Place a healthy green plant near your entrance or in your wealth corner. Plants represent growth, expansion, and continuous prosperity. A water element, such as a small fountain or an image of flowing water, helps keep wealth circulating. A bowl of fresh citrus fruits, like oranges or tangerines, near the entrance invites financial luck. Keeping this area vibrant, clutter-free, and filled with life ensures that money energy remains strong and active in your home. Element number 3, the power of sound. Wind chimes and bells, 100 words. Sound activates and moves stagnant energy, making it a great tool for maintaining wealth flow. Hang a set of wind chimes near your front entrance to continuously invite prosperity energy. Use a small bell to chime near your doorway once a day. This vibrational frequency clears away negative energy and opens the space for financial opportunities. By incorporating these simple Feng Shui techniques, you reinforce the abundance energy you've already created, ensuring that prosperity flows freely into your life for the long term. Your home is now fully aligned with financial abundance. Now, I encourage you to do something powerful. Write in the comments, "I claim unlimited wealth and unstoppable success in my life in 2025. This is more than just engagement. It is a way of setting your intention into movement. Declaring your focus in a public space sends a strong, energetic message that you are ready to align with prosperity. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more content on ancient wisdom, Buddhist teachings, and law of attraction. And don't forget to share this with someone who could use a little more prosperity in their life. Let's spread the energy of abundance together. See you in the next video.